Thanks a lot.
The doorknob just started fun. Say hi, you're on video. Hi, Luciano.
Say hello, babe.
Wait, put the ear thing to there.
Babe, say hello.
Hello.
Say hey.
Hi.
No, come on, say it.
Say what?
Hey.
Do I have to?
Yes, you're on video. Say it.
Oh, it's great.
Hey.
Hi.
You're not saying it.
Luciano, you're a freak. But, guys, love you guys. Guys, say hi.
Get me eating. He said it. Stop it. He said it. Come back. Hey.
Hey.
Look what I can do.
What a loser.
I want to put this on YouTube.
He's not even. The thing is open.
You're gonna fall with the water.
I can load it into my computer later.
I had it open.
Yeah, right.
Lauren, get the head. Lauren, get the head with the sweatshirt. That's my.
Totally JK, guys.
Hold this and sleep on this floor again.
Oh my god.
Wait. You imagine there's something mentally wrong with you. Don't look at me, you're changing.
Nicole!
I'm telling you a story. Please shut the door.
Fine.
Fine. Bye, bitches.
I'm glad you love him more than me. Look at Lauren! Look at Lauren! No,
I totally just flagged you. Look, I flagged her.
Lauren! Lauren, turn around.
It's so scary. Kiss me. Oh God, you freak.
Oh shit!
Do your jig. Do the jig. Do the fall. Oh yeah, right.
I gotta see. It's 170 seconds. Oh shit! I have it on video.
I totally just tripped over the
I have
bag.
it on video.
So good though.